Skeleton hiccups. Skeleton woke up. He had the hiccups. Took a shower. Brushed his teeth. Polished his bones. Carved a pumpkin. Raked some leaves. Played with Ghost. Ghost told Skeleton, "Hold your breath. Eat some sugar. Press your fingers over your eyeballs. Drink some water. Upside down. Ghost made a face. Said, "Boo," to Skeleton. But nothing worked. The hiccups stayed. Then Ghost got smart. Found a mirror. Held it up. Skeleton screamed. The hiccups left. They jumped away. Hooray! What's the best way to help a skeleton get over his bone rattling, teeth chattering, belly laughing hiccups? The end. Thank you for listening.
Hello, good afternoon, kids. It's my turn to tell the story Skeleton Hiccups. 小朋友午安。现在 Jennifer 老师要来说 Skeleton Hiccups。Skeleton 是骷髅头 ，Hiccup 是打嗝。我们来看一下这个故事哦。Skeleton woke up. Hic, hic, hic. Skeleton 有一天起床了，发生什么事情呢？他一直在打嗝。Had the hiccups. Took a shower. Hic, hic, hic. Took a shower 就是洗澡，洗澡的时候也在打嗝。Brush his teeth. Hic. 连刷牙的时候也会打嗝。Brush his teeth. 啾，你看他打嗝到牙齿都飞出去了。Polish his bones. Hic, hic, hic. 他还帮自己的那个骨头打亮一点，洗澡的时候也还在打嗝。Carved a pumpkin. Hic, hic, hic. 磕南瓜灯的时候也继续打嗝。Rake some leaves. 在扫地的时候也在打嗝。 played with ghost， 跟 ghost 一起玩的时候也在打嗝 hic hic hic。Ghost told skeleton， Ghost 跟 skeleton 说 Hold your breath， 不要呼吸 hic hic hic， 有没有笑啊？没有，他还是继续打嗝。Eat some sugar， Ghost 跟他说来吃点糖吧，结果发生什么事情呢？咻 hic hic hic， 还是继续打嗝。Press your fingers over your eyeballs， 他说呢，把那个你的手指头按压一下你的眼球，结果还是 hic hic hic。Drink some water， hic 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 upside down， 说喝点水吧，而且要 upside down， 倒立喝水 hic hic hic， 有没有笑啊？还是没有笑，继续打嗝。Ghost made a face， made a face 就是做鬼脸 hic hic hic。Say boo to skeleton， Ghost 还对着 skeleton 吓他说 boo， but nothing worked， 一样都没有效，全部没有效 hic hic hic， the hiccup state， 继续打嗝。Then Ghost got smart， Ghost 忽然有一个想法 ，found a mirror， 他找了一个镜子 ，held it up， 把它举起来 hic hic hic。结果发生什么事情 ？Skeleton screamed， 啊 ！Skeleton 被自己吓到 ，the hiccups left， 结果 hiccup 就停了。They jumped away， 他们很开心的离开了 ，hic hic hic，hooray！The end。